It's got more of a modern feel, hasn't it, for John's bedroom?
It's lovely. Very surprised with it.
So John can do this independently,
Yeah.
which is fantastic. So John tends to do this in the evening.
Well, when I go to bed, I go to bed.
Yeah,
And he does
yeah.
this all his own.
And so for transferring out of bed, then he can do this, and then is this how you would transfer out and use the Mowley phrase? You wouldn't do it like that? No.
It sits up because turning and pushing yourself up is obviously using more muscles.
Ah, okay.
See, that's part of his therapy.
Yes. So as you were saying earlier then, John doesn't need this functionality at this stage. No.
He used to, yes. What do you think?
Okay. And then can we rotate back in? If that's okay, John? There we go. There you go, it's very smooth and controlled as well, isn't it really? In that cradle position, hopefully you feel very safe and secure in that.
Feel safe and secure, John. We look a little bit happier though.
Yeah. That's good. That's brilliant. So do you tend to put your feet up like that? Is that something that you do, or you kind of sleep
Yeah.
flat? Oh, okay.
Usually
Yeah.
your legs up, don't you?
Yeah.
A little bit,
Good, yeah.
Off the heels to stop the sores on the
Yeah, absolutely. That's great. Thank you very much.
heels.